Hi guys! Welcome to SM San Mateo with Madam Gates. I'm here with my favorite Madam Gates for a special date.
Yeah, may inaanak.
Yeah, Ninang, Merry Christmas and Happy New
So your
Year.
wedding is coming, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you have a lot of gifts.
So we're here. We're having an exchange gift later. Bye for a moment. Bye.
My grandson. Hello to everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So goodbye 2025. Welcome 2026 and Happy New Year. Mwah. So all my subscribers and to all my learners, to all my family of course. Mr. Gates, hi honey. How are you? I miss you much.
Hi Ninang.
Wow.
Happy New Year po.
Well,
Who's with you, Ninang?
Well, I'm with Arvin. You know that Arvin, it's a very good, handsome, okay, inaanak. So I'm the godmother.
Hi, I'm with my Ninang.
So when will be
Princess
your wedding?
Gates. Ninang, Happy New Year.
I hope you're gonna like all my different countries of Japan
Yes.
and US and Australia, Philippines. So I wish you all the luck, many blessings, many money, and you should be promoted soon. I hope so, coming along the way. And what else? And find someone that will love you forever.
Wow.
Miss Annalena, di ba?
Yes, Ninang. So, there's a lot of gifts coming from you, right?
Okay, yes.
Later, we're going to open.
Yeah.
Okay, so, for this time, we're going to eat first.
So we're going to eat.
And then, later, we're going to open your gifts, okay?
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Bye.